1.8 twin turbo Mazda 323. He said it's his beater. He's not joking. He drives a badass Subaru WRX STI every given day of the week, but today he pulls up in his beater. I'm like, when most people say they got a beater car, they don't really mean it's a beater. It's a beater. But anyways, with no further ado, we're taking a look at it. It's just something interesting. I saw him pulled in the parking lot and I ran across the parking lot without my camera. And I was like, I gotta go see what this car is here. It's just something old school. But anyways, it's a 1993 Mazda 323. Who would have thunk it? Let's take a look. Anyways, you know, just a small car. You know, back in the 90s, cars were small. They really were. And this is really a great example of a small beater car that may get pretty decent gas mileage on it, right? I mean, it's nothing really special, but it's just something. It might, hey, no, actually, I take it back. I shouldn't have said that. It's special to him, and just because it's not special to some people, it may be special to him. But it's running. It drives, and he drives it to work 30 miles, you know, probably from his house out here to the country every day. And and there you go. But one thing I thought was interesting is that there's no mirror on the on the passenger side over here. He's got the hula girl on the dash. I mean, it doesn't get more epic than that. Anyways, we won't get all up in his car, but it's an automatic transmission. That's what the inside looks like. I mean, just an old school Mazda. You know, with Mazda coming out with their new Mazda 6 with the turbo and everything, we're doing a tribute today to Mazda. This is what Mazda was all about back in the early 90s. So anyways, just wanted to share it with everybody this holiday season, let y'all see what this car looked like back in 1993. So anybody that acts like they can't get a car to drive around and get back and forth to work, I mean, come on, folks. You can find old beater cars out there that run and will get you around to do what you got to do. I'm getting the headlights nice and clean. And as we talked about earlier, he's doing a great job, man. He got the headlights looking almost like brand spanking new on there. And it's gonna be such a pretty car once he gets done with the headlights. It makes a big difference doing that on them. So anyways, we'll get a before and after. And wow, they already look really good. So pretty sweet. But if any of y'all are in Charleston, ever looking to get your headlights cleaned up, hit this guy up. He says, I make headlights look new again. He really does. And as y'all can see, it's about the second or third time we've had him on camera doing it. But we're gonna have to get his number. Here, I'm gonna go take y'all over to his car real quick and get his number on there. You can give him a call at 843-709-6838. Again, 709-6838. Give him a call. Let him know what your car is, and he will come out and do your headlights for you. I mean, it's just that simple. Anyways, one other thing that's kind of cool out here today is the bunny, okay? And that over there, that's really nice as well. But the bunny is really what's nice. He's got the cutest little bunny sitting in here. Hey, what's going on over there, man? Is that his wife?
No, I don't know. That's a new Snap-on rep.
A new rep? Okay. Come on, wish me a Merry Christmas today. All right, let's go take a look at the rabbit, okay? Because the rabbit is a rabbit, Roger Rabbit. And with that being said, we got a rabbit out here at the car lot today. I'm not joking, guys and girls. I'm not joking. There's a rabbit here on the car lot. So I was walking by earlier, and I walked by this right here, and I said, what in the world's going on here, right? Has the man done brought his child out here and have his baby sitting inside the little playpen, right? And then I look down, and I see the cutest little black bunny. And I said, all right, I got to get the camera. I got to film this right now. Watch this clip. All right, everybody, so I was not joking. There's really a rabbit out here, okay? Y'all got to see the rabbit. My kids, I really want to show them the rabbit. And that's a real bunny. Oh, hey, what the heck? So how old is your bunny?
I would say around 2 years old. He's an old rabbit.
He's 2 years, you think? It's 2 years old for a rabbit?
So. Yeah? I think so, yeah.
Oh, look at those big thumpers.
Don't touch his feet. He get kind of cranky about his feet.
Now what's his name?
His name is Hercules.
Hercules. Wow, I had rabbits all my childhood.
We're gonna put him down. He don't like to be held that much.
Oh, look at him. Now, is he a certain type of rabbit?
Actually, it's a female.
A female, okay.
It's American Giant. You can tell it's a female because she has a dewlap under her neck, like a turtleneck.
Really?
And
okay.
She uses that to keep her babies warm.
Oh. Now, did you buy this rabbit?
Yeah, I just got it from the flea market.
Okay.
Yeah, I always wanted a huge rabbit. Just the biggest one I could find.
Yeah. And does the rabbit stay in the house with you?
Yes.
And, yeah.
Yes, has his own cage and everything.
Now, would you?
It's my road dog, actually. It goes everywhere with me.
Oh. And rabbit is I'm trying to think. Will a rabbit use a litter box?
Yes.
Yes.
They can be trained to use litter box.
So Hercules does that too?
Yes, she's trained to do that.
Oh man, that's awesome. Yeah. And Hercules will stay right in the house with you.
Yeah.
For the most part.
For the most part, don't mess up too much.
Yeah.
You know, everyone has accidents.
Oh, of course, right. So. Okay. Oh man, Hercules is a beautiful bunny. Now, has Hercules ever, do rabbits bite like people seem to think, or not?
Not really.
Not really, yeah.
Not really. Unless they're very fearful.
Yeah.
So if they feel, threatened, of course,
right.
Protect herself.
A little different than a cat, right?
Right.
They have more fear than a cat, obviously.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Because they're bait. I mean, they're prey for all animals.
Oh, that's right. Okay. So. That's just in their genetics then.
And the strange thing about rabbits is that they can actually have heart attacks if they get too scared.
Really? And just die, right?
Just die on the spot.
Wow.
So,
man, the hair feels kind of like a cat hair, almost. I have a cat at home that has really thick hair like that.
Okay.
Oh, that's a very beautiful rabbit, though. Wow. Well, there you go, everybody. Y'all got to see his rabbit. And as always, like I tell y'all, please give him a call, 709-6838. Get your headlights done. He does a great job on headlights, and as y'all see, he does the work on pretty much about every car out here on our lot. Keeps those headlights looking fresh, and it really makes a big difference when it's taking an older pre-owned vehicle to a whole nother level. I mean, it really makes the car look so much better having the headlights cleaned up. But that was nice to see Hercules out here tonight, just a few days before Christmas, and it's not really too chilly out here, so I think Hercules is okay. Cool. Thank you so much, brother. Have a Merry Christmas. Awesome. All right, everybody, so my customer finally came by today, picked up the Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. We had a great time with her. The car is for her husband, and he will be flying in from Texas tomorrow. And he gets to go back home with his Mercedes-Benz and his beautiful family and 2 beautiful little girls and his beautiful wife. So congratulations, Michael, on the purchase of the CLS 550 from us here at the Auto Buy Center. And with Chad from Charleston Car Videos. Have a great night. All right, everybody, so that's what it's all about this holiday season, trying to get some car deals out, make a little extra money, you know, make Santa Claus come. But it's always fun here at Christmas time. It is. We had a great time today at work. It's been nice. My attitude's a little better when I'm selling cars, of course. But super excited about what tomorrow brings. But there's one thing that I got to go pick up right now out of the office, and let me show you.
Good job.
No, awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, little fist bump. Yeah. All right, now there's something in there for me. All right, everybody, we had to end up having a good day at the car store. Man, I'm excited. I really just get excited to make a little money, but look at this, guys and girls. Look at this right here. It's got a little stack right here, a little money stack. I mean, this is real. That's real money right there, guys. That's a real McCoy. So, anyways, yeah, they did a little. They've had a bonus plan going on for the last since Saturday, and basically Saturday they took all this money out and basically individually wrapped $100 in ones in each of these stacks right here, and they put them on this nice big silver platter on the boss man's desk in there. So every time you sell a car, you come in and you grab you a stack. And it's my first time ever doing a stack system in the car business, but it really is kind of fun. But the first day on Saturday, boy, I was not very happy about them stacks right there. I got mad. In my head, I said, dang, I can't believe they would just put that money in my face, man, and not let me have a little bit of it, right? You got to earn it, though, and that's the whole thing. And if I hadn't have sold any cars today or yesterday or maybe even tomorrow, I'd probably still be angry right now and just pouting and upset. But thankfully, I've had an opportunity to sell a car today and yesterday and been able to make a little bit of money. So, you know, hey, $100 is $100, and things have been tight lately. And I haven't been making, you know, as much money as I was when I first started working here. So I am thankful for being able to sell a few cars and be able to make a little extra money. So that was from the Mercedes-Benz deal, and anyways, that's great. So have a little fun. Let's keep it up before Christmas and let's keep selling cars. All right, buddy, have a great night. Thanks for watching the stream today. Thanks for watching the video here. Again, like I tell all y'all, please head over to Piggybackers. Every morning I'm doing a live stream video on my channel going from home to work, and sometimes I do them at night as well. Don't do as many night streams because I'm on the phone with my wife at night talking with her. But either way, join us on Piggybackers. Join us on Charleston Car Videos, vice versa. Just join in and support me and be here with me on the channel, and let's have a good time. We'll see you soon, guys. Have a great night.